Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Gran Maja. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Gran Maja, let's begin with the eyes. So he's got 6 eyes, so we're going to start here, and we're just going to begin by making a small circle here. We're going to do one right here, and then we're going to make another one here. They're in like pairs of 3. Then we're going to make one right here. We're going to make one down a little bit. And then we're going to make this one up here. Now I'm just going to add these kind of like little curves right around each one, just for a little bit of detail. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to add a little bump here, and then a little bump right here. Next, I'm going to add a bump here. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around here. Then we're going to make a line that's going to curve around right here. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this over, and we're going to curve this around. Next, we're going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve this up. Next, we're going to come down here for the outer edge of the mouth. So we're just going to bring this down and then up here. Now we're going to make the gums. So let's just begin by drawing a line that's going to go down. We'll make it kind of bumpy and then up to here. And then same thing here, we're just going to come up, make it kind of bumpy, and then down. Then I'm just going to make these little kind of like broken lines all over the place. And we're going to do the same thing here. Just kind of make these little broken lines right around here. Next, we're going to make some sharp teeth on here. So we're going to make some really long, sharp teeth. We're just going to go down and up. We're going to make really sharp, pointy teeth that are pretty close together, and we're making these really long V shapes on here. Then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom, just going up and down. Really long, sharp, skinny, pointed teeth. Then back here, I'm going to kind of curve a line around with a couple more little curves around it, kind of show where the back of the mouth is. And we'll kind of do that same thing here, just like some little curves. Next, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and I'm going to bring this up here with the curve. And then we're going to make a couple more little curves to kind of show where the body bends. Then we're going to bring this down here for the tail. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to leave some little broken lines, and then we're going to bring this down here to a point. Next, we're going to bring a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down, kind of like the fin on top. Next, we're just going to make some kind of long, broken lines on here. And we're going to bring some lines right around here. Next, I'm going to make a few kind of broken lines that are coming right around here, and a few right around the mouth too. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Gran Maja. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.